You don't need money to start a business in 2026. Here's exactly what I do starting from zero. Step 1. Pick a digital product. No inventory, no shipping, 100% profit margin. Think templates, guides, presets, or printables. People buy these every single day on Etsy and Gumroad. Step 2. Use free AI tools to create it. ChatGPT writes the content. Canva designs it. Both are free. Your only investment is a few hours. Step 3. List it on Etsy. It costs 20 cents to list a product. That's your entire startup cost. Etsy brings the traffic to you. Step 4. Use Pinterest to drive free traffic. Pin your product daily. Pinterest pins last for months and send consistent clicks to your Etsy shop. $0. Zero excuses. Follow WealthWired for more no-cost business ideas that actually work. Save this video. You'll want to come back to it.